Hey everybody, once again, Erich Smidt. Eric, how you doing?
Great, Zenny. Good to see you, man.
Great to see you too as well.
The whole year.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's gone fast, though.
And you lost weight.
Oh, well, you did too.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I needed to.
2020 is the year of
Yeah,
fitness.
exactly.
Health
Right.
and fitness, right?
Yeah, definitely. Velodyne Lidar, and first of all, you guys have a lot number of new products. Tell us about the new products and also your new CEO.
Yeah. Actually, I'll tell you a little bit. I'll go through the Velodyne, and then we'll do that first.
Just
I don't know if you remember. We got the unit that started. That was history. I mean, this is the HDL 64 down there. That is the sensor that Mr. David Hall developed 15 years ago. If you think about it, 15 years we've been doing this. Velodyne, that's a long time. That started this whole game. Yeah, it was unbelievable. So this is the one that those little companies like Google used to develop their program and so forth, and that's the mother started.
So Google Earth is based on this?
No, not Google Earth, but the Google autonomous car when they first started doing that. That was the first units they were using. Yeah. So it's unbelievable. That kicked everything off. And then over time, we continued developing. It's almost like Moore's law. Every few years we get, the technology improves, the performance improves, the price, decreases, and that's where Velodyne's been following through on that. So as we go through, we developed, some of the first cost-effective lidars in the market, which really kicked off. And that's the VLP-16, yeah, and that really kicked off. All of a sudden, everybody had a sensor that they could use for their little project. Start using it, start putting it on robots, start putting it on autonomous vehicles. So, and that's what did it. That started kicking it off. And then as we continue down the path, that we have the VLP-32, which enabled this is the first 200-meter sensor primarily designed for automotive, but super and used for mapping, for reference sensing, for robotics, other applications as well. So that's and then we come to the newest baby, one of the new babies, the VLS-128. I think we had it last year, but also just to reintroduce it, this is the highest resolution sensor you can get, 0.1 degree resolution on it, and up to 300 meters. Yeah, so that's
This is Alpha Prime.
This is the Alpha Prime.
That's top of the line best.
Super. And so that's an absolute super sensor for L4, L5, but also reference sensing. It's automakers use it for reference sensing. It's a fantastic piece of equipment. Kind of taking over for the reference sensing side where the HDL 64 was. That baby is still used for reference sensing for the automotive manufacturers. But this is the VLS 128 is the next generation of that. So, and then continuing on, we always have the rotational, the Velodyne. We have everything you need. So then we get into our directional sensors. The Velodyne. And I think we had this, showed you this last year as well. The Velodyne, though, allowing just super applications and ADAS, integrated into the vehicle, behind the windscreen, integrated into the grill, wherever you need it. We got it covered. And here's the newest baby this year. We just announced this a couple days ago.
Close up, folks.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, you got to get close because it's so small. Look at this. This lidar, this is the Vella bit.
The Vella bit.
The Vella bit. Yeah.
Wow.
And this Vella bit, this is bringing safety, democratizing safety. We say this sensor in automotive quantities, $100.
What?
Yeah. Think about that.
This is $100.
Yep. Think about that. Unbelievable. This is what.
It's 100. I'm gonna faint.
Yeah. This is what's
$100.
happening. Again, going back to the whole concept. Velodyne is continuing to improve, continuing to decrease size, continuing to lower pricing to support the market. We're driven on safety. We want to bring this technology available to anybody, not only in automotive but other industries as well. So this is something that's super for other industries.
Hey, my 85-year-old mom will watch this. What should she think about? Tell her how this works in this.
Yeah. Well, the Vella bit, it's super. It's small. We have 60 degrees horizontal field of view, 10 degrees vertical field of view, and it's a shorter range. But what does short mean? Short for us means 100 meters.
Right.
So we got it. So we get you covered on near range applications. Traffic jam assist, parking assist, things like that. So that's a perfect, for many use cases.
And for those who aren't familiar with LiDAR as a technology and how they can use this, what do you tell them?
What I tell them, LiDAR is a technology. Well, you know what? LiDAR gives you the data that the other sensors can't give you. You know, any company that's very serious about autonomous level 4, level 5, they're going to have 3 sensors. Yep. You need your camera, you need your radar, and you need your LiDAR. Why do you need your LiDAR? Because the LiDAR is able to give you the accuracy of the data that you need, the higher resolution, the higher accuracy of the distances, and that provides you information that radar and camera cannot. You know? Okay. So yeah, that's it. The Vella. $100 bucks. You know, $100. You know, in quantities. So it's a super technology. We're really excited about this.
And next.
Next, well, let's see. What else can we go around here?
Here's why I ask.
Yeah. Oh, looking at
the egg.
The egg. You know what that is? The egg. No, this is good segue. This is a super example of Velodyne technology in other industries. You know what this is? This is a security robot. This is from the company Nightscope.
So folks in Oakland,
yeah,
you may be seeing one of these.
Yeah, in fact, there's a good chance they are. These are already deployed, I think, around 16 cities and various locations. Yeah. So how they use it, basically they use the LiDAR system, the VLP-16, providing the localization.
Right here.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Yeah. So and then this will patrol areas such as parking lots or malls, and then provide warnings. It's a security.
If somebody from the city of Oakland's watching this, how do they contact you about buying it?
Oh, well, this is a partner of ours, but they can get on our website, send an inquiry into us, and we'll contact our partner, and they'll be in touch immediately. They're very good, very responsive. Yeah. Nightscope, yeah, that's the company.
Is this the front face?
Yeah.
So basically, it's like mean, or is it happy?
It's happy.
It's happy. So like I said, you may be seeing one of these trolling around Adams Point near my house.
And here,
this one?
Yeah, this is
self-driving sweeper.
Yes, self-driving sweeper. As you can see,
sir.
Self-driving sweeper. As you can see. Yeah. Again, using the VLP-16, for its guidance.
Sure.
And basically, that's what it is. It's doing a job. That being able to put it out on the streets or parking lots, wherever you need the application. They'll go in and they'll map the area, and then they'll set this thing. Let this thing go.
What's the future of what you guys are doing? You have a new CEO now, right?
Yeah, super. Yeah. Anand Gopalan, who has been our CTO for about 2.5 years, I believe, 3 years. He is now our CEO. Super.
Congratulations.
We're really excited about that. Yeah. And when you get a chance, you definitely, I think you should run around here. You got to say hello.
Yeah, definitely.
So Mr. Hall is brilliant. He's the inventor, the engineer, and so it's going to be a super opportunity that he doesn't have to worry about all the business. Forget the running a company. That's no fun. Let's go off and invent things and then throw it over the wall and give it to Anand to productize.
Exactly.
That's what we're going to do. Yeah. So we've got our own skunk works. Yeah. Yeah, that's what's going to. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So you're going to see. I think you're going to see a lot of tremendous things happening in the coming year, 2020, 2021. We're going to see continue our trend. Continue our trend.
And the website is?
The website is VelodyneLidar.com.
You got it.
Yeah. So come.
Hey, check them out, folks. VelodyneLidar.com. Great presentation.
Yeah, well, it's good seeing you.
Hey, great to see you, man.
Yeah, see you in 21.
Yeah, definitely.
Right.
Absolutely.
Take care of yourself,
man. Definitely.
All right.
Hey, and subscribe to Zenny62 and bookmark my newest blog, OaklandNewsNow.com.